Hi, Robin with Oxy-Dry, and as you can see today I'm cleaning a chair. I actually just finished this couch, and I'm actually using my pad system, my OP SETT method. Soil extraction and transfer technology can be used for furniture cleaning as well. So that's why how I'm cleaning this set. There was quite a lot of stains on this couch, and they've all come out very easily. So now I'm doing this chair, and I'm going to spray it with my new Ryobi 1 gallon sprayer there. I just did around the back side, the sides and the back, and so we'll just spray it first, of course. This is I used this on the couch, and it worked really well. Just have to be careful not to overspray, and be careful you don't accidentally lock the thing in the on position, which I did for a second. Got a bit panicky there. So anyway, turn it on first. So it comes out pretty quick. Don't want to over wet it, of course. I see some guys spraying furniture when they're going to use a pad system, and they just hose it down. You don't need to do that. And of course that's potential for real problems. Now the seat was really quite grimy on this thing. I'm not sure if it's fiber damage or just soiling, but we'll see what happens here in a sec. I'm cleaning with Omega Citrus. It's I guess it's about 4 ounces per gallon in there, and there's 2,000 ppm of ClO2 in there. That's actually my stair mix. I use this as a finishing pad, and I've got another one sitting there. This actually has kind of like scrub strips on it, this one. So let's see what happens. This, of course, is a microfiber, polyester microfiber, so it's very safe fabric to clean. Very common type of fabric that we often come across. This is a Black & Decker, as you can see, OP system with I put a Velcro sheet on the pad holder there, so it holds onto these Spinwave pads very well. I did pre-vacuum the furniture very well. I used my hush stone sitting there idling. I did it running. Sounds like I'm doing more. I know that more and more guys are cleaning furniture this way. I have both the Von Schotter and a hot water extraction system, but I do use this occasionally, but I would like to use it more. I've got to admit I'm a little reluctant to use it, but if it works, then I will certainly be using it more, and it does work. I've never regretted using it. But if I felt there was an issue, I'd go and grab my extractor, use a hot water extractor or my Von Schotter. If I felt that the fabric would better respond. Microfiber is very forgiving, easy to clean. No risk of shrinkage or damaging the fiber. Obviously no risk of bleeding because you get a solid color anyway. And normally that's not going to be an issue normal anyway. There's some stains right here, and they just went. Probably food. There's a little kid lives in here. So there was actually a lot of these what appeared to be food stains all over the couch, and they all came out. I was actually a little bit concerned about them. A couple of them took a little bit of effort, but not a big deal. So I've gone over the main portions there. I'm going to lift up the footrest. Going to put a little more on there. Now this Black & Decker LP machine works just perfect. It's not very heavy. You can see it's very nimble. It has the switch that it came with isn't a great power, not a very durable switch. So it lasted a little while, and then it failed. So I went to an electronics store and found a switch that was almost identical, but had a much higher amperage rating, so it should last a good long time. Very easy to repair it anyway, but okay, I've gone over everything. You see that pad is quite dirty from both these pieces, but now I'm going to switch over to this one. This is just a straight microfiber. Doesn't have the strip. Put a little bit of moisture on there. The fabric isn't very wet. This one I just finished, and it's just obviously right here. The seat was where the marks were, and it's a little bit damp still. But it should be dry within an hour or so. There were marks all over here, and they're all gone, coming out easily. Okay, I'm gonna hang on a sec here. Oh, right. Make sure I get in there. Okay, now we'll put it up. Okay, do that, and we'll go with arms again. Again, there were marks on these arms, and they look like they've all come out all right. The seat was really marked up. But looks like those marks are all gone. I probably actually don't need to do this second pad really, but I think it's not a bad idea. Making sure I get, you know, the grease, etc. as much as possible. You get oils on the fabric. Okay. Yeah, that's definitely got soiled. I'm gonna go over the seat again. It looks good, but it was almost like black. Almost like the fabric was fused together in a few places here. I thought maybe it was actually worn off, but it was just some sort of a sticky stain, I guess. It's gonna look really good. Okay. Other than grooming, I guess I'm done. So, I thought you might enjoy seeing that, and maybe some of you guys are new in the business, are wondering how you're going to clean furniture. Well, this is definitely an option. The only concern I would have is certain fabrics that have a sort of a looser weave. Just be very careful. The agitation on some fabrics could be a problem. So be very careful where you use it. I don't think that all fabrics would tolerate the agitation of one of these machines. So bear that in mind. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed that, and thank you for watching. Have a good day.